Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to watch my videos on YouTube. And I know you're thinking like, wait, I know how to watch YouTube. I'm watching the video right now. Well, look, I'm going to show you how to watch my videos specifically. So, once you go to YouTube, you're going to search up AquaTech, okay, Fantasy, okay, and then you're going to see my channel right here, okay, first one here. Okay, you'll go to it. You'll click the channel, right? So then you'll see the trailer and stuff like that. But what you're going to do is you can go to For You page. You can see the cool things that I made, like the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra unboxing. Or you're going to see the menu. Okay, so it says, what do you need help with? Hit the view all button on the right and pick your topic. Okay, so this is how you watch Aquatech videos. Okay, then you go to view all and you pick your topic. You got MetaQuest videos over here. You have Android videos right there. You have YouTube tricks and tips. You have OBS tips and tricks. You have Cody tips and tricks. I gotta delete that. But Microsoft Edge and tricks, so on and so forth. Okay, there's so many things on here that I have. Stream Deck tips. Okay, go on here, check it out, and go from each playlist. Each playlist is updated, and I have it updated. Okay, so go to the check it out, and go to play this all, and just go on the list, and then just check out each one of these. I have so many cool things on here that you can check out. You know what I'm saying? But let's go. That's how you go on my channel from here. It's the same thing when you go. You can check my popular videos and things like that, but also you can just go to the main menu right there. Like you're watching the Comcast, the TV guide, the channel, and you're on DVR and you're trying to figure out the